Hey there, welcome to our channel. A big, warm welcome to you. We are KDU, TESOL, and we are here to help to achieve your academic goals related to English. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the notification button for more videos. In today's video, we're diving into a skill that's truly timeless and so important, the art of email writing. Here, we are going to discuss the principles of writing an email. Whether you're a professional in the business world, a student communicating with your professors, or simply someone who wants to master the art of effective communication, this video is for you. Throughout this video, we'll cover everything from the fundamental structure of a professional email to advanced techniques for making your messages more persuasive and engaging. So, what is an email? An email, short for electronic mail, is a digital message sent over the internet from one person to another. It can contain text, images, files, and other data and is typically used for communication and information exchange. Writing an email is a bit similar to writing a formal or informal letter. While both emails and letters are used for communication, emails are digital, faster, and less structured, making them suitable for various purposes, including formal communication when appropriate. Letters, on the other hand, are physical, follow a specific format, and are often used for more traditional or official correspondences. Hey, hold on. This is a sample for you. Please pause the video and have a look on it before going into the discussion. A well-written email is one that effectively communicates its intended message. Also, it's clear and concise. It has a proper structure and a relevant subject line. Also, that has a professional tone while considering the recipient. First, let's identify the components of an email. When writing an email, your email address will display in the top of the interface. After that, you have to type the recipient email address correctly. The email addresses of the individuals or groups intended to receive the email. These are typically listed in the To field, but additional recipients can be added to the ECC. That is representing carbon copy in shortened form, or BCC. That represents blind carbon copy in shortened form. The salutation can include to the beginning part of the content, the initial greeting, which can be personalized with the recipient's name or a general salutation like hello or hi. Subject line is a main important part here. It crafts a compelling and relevant subject line that accurately reflects the email's content. This helps recipients quickly assess its importance. The main content of the email, where the sender conveys their message, request, or information. This section can contain text, images, hyperlinks, or attachments. That's coming under content or body of the email. You can attach files, documents, or multimedia elements that are included with the email under content, which providing additional information or context. In closing session, you can politely express your request or your message. E-signature part often includes the sender's name, contact information, and other professional details, such as their job title and company. If you are writing an informal type email, you can just mention your name here. While keeping all these points in mind, let's practice to write a proper email. Think you are writing an email for one of your teachers asking some learning materials. So, first you can add the recipient's email into section. Then you can mention the purpose of writing this email in subject line. You are writing for asking some learning materials here. Thus, you can add like this, requesting some learning materials for English language lesson. Then, in the body part, you can convey your message or request in a proper way. After the closing part of your email, you can mention your name with your registration number. Great! Now you know how to write an email in precise way. Okay, Now, let's move on to the facts that you required to think before writing an email. Let's discuss this further, starting from purpose of the email. Purpose. It clearly defines the purpose of your email. Are you providing information, requesting action, confirming details, or expressing gratitude? Knowing your objective will help structure your message. Next fact is audience. Understand your audience's needs, preferences, and expectations. Tailor your email to their level of familiarity with the topic and their relationship with you. Next, we have clarity. That ensure your message is concise, easy to understand, and free of jargon. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, or headings for better readability. Subject line. Craft a compelling and relevant subject line that accurately reflects the email's content. This helps recipients quickly assess its importance. Finally, you need to think about the tone of your email. Consider the appropriate tone for your message: formal, informal, friendly, professional, etc. Your tone should align with the nature of your relationship with the recipient. Then, what should we avoid when writing an email? Let's discuss that too. Don't write too lengthy emails. Instead of that, mention the message shortly and clearly in an understandable way. Also, try to maintain your email in a manner between formal and informal without being too casual. Also, avoid repeat the same thing again and again, to avoid that you can proofread before you send it to the recipient. Now, you have a good knowledge and understand about the structure of any email and how to construct it. Hope you all gathered some new and valuable knowledge from this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to meet you again from another video. See you there. And don't forget to share the video among your friends. Also, subscribe our channel for more videos.